Hello, do you know what mental maths is but for addition? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. Now, mental maths means when you think of the answer in your head, just mentally thinking the answer. Now, we're doing addition for this. So what that means is we're not going to be writing out the answers, we'll just be able to look at it and answer it. And I'm going to teach you the easiest way to do that in your head. So say if you had a number like this, 43 plus 52, okay? Just randomly thinking of numbers. Now, the easiest way to do this is first to break it down via tens column and then the ones column or singles in your head. So, first just go, what is 4 plus 5? Don't look at it as like 50s or 40s, because in your head, when you're younger, you think that's really hard because it's a big number, but it's not. Just look at it as basic form. So 4 plus 5 equals 9, easy. And then, what is 3 plus 2? 5. And that's it. That's all you do. Now that wasn't hard, was it? Because you were thinking it so small parts at a time, it becomes really easy. So you do this next answer on your own. What's the answer to that question? So what would be the first digit that you put down? Yes! It would be 9, wouldn't it? Because 7 plus 2, 9. What about this next one? What's 5 plus 3? Yes! Well done! It's 8. That's it. Really good. Well done at home. Okay? And that's all you do. So you break it down bit by bit. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!